Go ahead.
Are you okay?
Do I know you?
More than you think. I am you. From the future.
So that means we managed to achieve our dream of becoming a football player.
Of course. We've accomplished wonderful things together.
Do we still have our friends?
They're not just our friends anymore. They're our brothers now.
Can I ask a question? How old were we when we won our first World Cup?